Hi, I'm Michael from Nautek Marine. I'm here today to talk to you about a smart boat keeper plan. We've been spending a lot of time here to see how we can service our loyal customers better. We've come up with this great idea to take the pain out of having a big bill at the end of the year. We want to keep your boat in tip-top condition so the moment we can go boating, you're ready to go. Don't worry about the big bills. We're here all to make the boat keep going, our staff keep working, and most of all, keep Australia going again. It's as simple as calling in to Nautek Marine and having a discussion about when you would like your boat ready and what services you would like. We're here to help you have the boat as ready as you need to be the moment you hit back on the water.